give it up, you guys. So I'm participating with Rose, my girl Rose from the Rose Life, and it's hashtag merryrosepinkmas. And all you have to do is create something pink or share something pink, whether it's a Christmas tree, a DIY, your nails, just anything pink. And it can have other colors in it as well, as long as it's pink. So I created these bows using scrapbook paper, you know, our paper pads. It does look prettier with double-sided paper, but I don't have any, so I did it, you know, with single-sided paper. I will link the video that I followed. I think her name is Put Some Bling On It, and Mrs. Cooper Scoop shared these bows, and then she linked to Put Some Bling On It. She shares step by step how she does them, and I also made some tags to go along with it. I only made 2 for now, and really simple, just a piece of scrap in my stash, and I think it's 2 inches in width, and length I'm not too sure, I don't have my ruler near me. It might be 8 inches folded in half. And yeah, I just added some ribbon, a sticker, some flat backs, and this little sticker here that says Merry Christmas. I had to cut it in half because it didn't fit all across. So yeah, pretty simple. People are going to take them off the packaging and throw it out anyway, so you don't have to go crazy on the embellishing. But yeah, that's what I created for the Merry Rose Pinkmas. It's open collaboration. Anyone can join. Just use the hashtag, share it on Instagram and YouTube, and put the hashtag merryrosepinkmas. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you give everyone a follow, and I'll check you guys on my next one. Bye.